our final car. Taking the seat, please. Stopping the seat side. So here she comes. Next up.
Yeah, buddy.
Get it on.
We gonna get it.
Did you purposely just outrun that kid? I'm not helping it.
I'm gonna get 4 over here. I need to be on this.
Oh man, you're gonna put me next to the fast guy? Shit.
I'm running Ryan. Don't wreck on that car. I had to like really contort my body to fit on his post, but it did.
That was, you took a couple laps right there in between the...
Yeah, it was not pretty. Well, I like how it handles, but I can't figure out the double, so I don't know if I'm even going to try with it. I may just friggin', you know, whatever. I'm not going to get... We're not going to podium with it. It's not my truck.
Alright, I'm going to need everybody to cross the line for me.
I really felt like it was...
I'm just to move the driver from the race and... Thank you, and everybody. Alright, starting order, Striker on the 1, Ron on the 2, Scottman on the 3, Thomas McGrath on the 4, T-Rex on the 5, Ian Coxey on the 6. Jerry Sweezy on the 8, I'm sorry, where was it? Ian Coxey on the 6, skipping Kaden Gould, he's not going to make this race. Ian Coxey on the Jerry Sweezy on the 8, Eric Tree on the 9, Camp Peavy on the 10, Joe on the 11, Sam on the 12, Christian on the 13.
Nice.
Alright. So, number 1, we're up to
What color's your truck?
Yellow.
7, bro.
Oh, you're in the front?
Yeah.
I'll stay out of her way.
We'll see how it goes.
Hey, do you want me to bump T-Rex if he's getting close to you?
I'm not going to say no.
I'm not even riding. This isn't even my truck. This is Ryan's. I blew the motor.
Alright. My marshals are ready. My drivers
Strategy is I'm going to kick all you in the back of the knees.
Oh,
The
shit.
camera crew should be rolling. Here we go in less than 5. And the 13 truck was match. A TV battle is underway. This was actually a much cleaner start than I was expecting, I'll be honest. I was expecting this to be more chaotic. You guys, I don't say disappointing, but it's something else.
Got a lot of steering in this thing. My God, I don't know.
My arm broke out. Again? Last one?
Striker's truck does not seem to be driving properly, if I'm being honest. That's Ron Vanderkoy out to the early lead, followed by Scott Manning and Ian Coxey.
All right.
Gentlemen, enjoy the race.
Brother, I'm sorry.
What happened?
And here they come over the front double, and through the switch back.
Looks like I've lost a body clip.
Ron Vanderkoy going into the back section of the track through the lead. He's holding about a 3-second advantage, second place, and Ian Coxey upside down. That's going to transition Thomas McGrath onto the helipad in the back right corner into the second place truck. Thomas McGrath followed very closely by Scott Manning. Then, Thomas McGrath upside down.
Oh, sorry.
So here we go. Now, Ron Vanderkoy coming on to the straightaway, the red truck. On to the straightaway.
Yeah.
And the second place truck, this is Scott Manning going down the straightaway now. Here comes Jerry Squeezy in the 3. Ian Coxey in the 4. Thomas McGrath in the 5.
Oh.
Running on the top 5. And the rest of the field.
Oh no!
Caution and pushback. Nice work, young man. Nice
Pick it up.
Thank you, sir.
Goddamn little kid.
As here comes the leader back through the pushback going on the front straightaway. Scott Man is getting chased. That lead has shrunk. Yes, it is down to 4 seconds. Seconds a lap ago. So, Scott Man making the dent in the lead
Throw it.
of Ron Vanderpool as we approach 5.5 remaining. Yellow shows why he just got Lifetime Marshal Achievement Award. All effort out there. Here goes Ron Vanderpool on his shoulder.
I think he has a lot more drag.
Followed by Scott Man. Now back to 5 seconds. That lead grew a little bit that time by. And Coffee through the pushback. That's the third place truck. The all-white vehicle followed very closely by Thomas McGrath down the straightaway. That is 3rd and 4th. Here comes his 5th place car. It's really sweet. Inside of 5 minutes. Oh, man, a flying dive over the front double by Eric Creek. That is your leader. That is your leader. Ron Vanderpool getting cleanly and down the front straightaway.
Oh, that was just horrible. I spent a whole lap trying to get Marshall myself by helping him.
It's going to be now. Almost a right out. No, that's not good. That's a shot. Oh, your leader outside there. That's a change at the front. Right this field. There goes Scott Man going down the straightaway. And you're all very shocked. Your new leader, Ron Vanderpool, taking across the stripe, 4 seconds back. So they're running over the 3.5 minutes remaining. Scott Man, Ron Vanderpool, Ian Coffey, Joe Creasy, and D-Rex making its way to the front of the pack after a rough start.
I got no rear end on this thing. It's just fucking going.
What do you mean?
I just keep losing traction.
Oh. No bueno.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh no! Go by, Ron!
Oh, Ron Vanderpool, caution in the pushback. Ron Vanderpool. Let's see that margin. Here is Scott Man in the V in the back of the track. Well, you might be putting a lap on your 4th place set. Scott Man over the front double from problems for Scott Man going to allow Ron Vanderpool to get close to problems for Ron Vanderpool. Ron Vanderpool got margin 4.7 seconds that time by. As 1st place, up under the helipad on the back right corner. 2nd place, up under the helipad on the back right corner. Giving chase.
I'm losing power.
Silver truck, red truck.
Battery, god damn it.
Minute and a half remaining. Getting down to the wire. Time to fast off to bring this thing home. Got many tied for lap number 11. There goes Ron Vanderpool. 4 seconds into the margin. There goes your leader into the off-rhythm section. Scott. The one on the court.
Oh, god dang. I'm sorry.
There they both go. 3 to Twin Peaks. So watch out for my guy up. Make sure you're watching for traffic, please. And let's see here. Oh, Thomas around boy in the back left corner. That's going to give some room to work. 6 shot remaining with 30 seconds remaining. Let's see, where are we here? Scott Manning going to get by for a final lap. Going to get the white flag this time by. Let's see if Ron gets by as well. He is going to get by. This is the final lap. Time expires. The rest of the field going to get caught by the line. And we are watching the silver truck go through the off-ribbon section. The red truck onto the helipad, that is first and second place. Comes through the double, Scott Manning and the switchback.
Thank you, Cam.
This one home. He is the winner of the Royal Rumble Short Bus 14-person battle. Just waiting on a key yet. Another truck to finish up. What a race.